Hello and welcome to Disha's official YouTube channel. I am Raghav bringing daily news analysis. Centre extended tenure of Attorney General K.K. Venugopal by 1 year. The central government has extended the tenure of Attorney General K.K. Venugopal by 1 more year till June 30th, 2022. He was appointed as the Attorney General on June 30th, 2017. The Attorney General of India, a constitutional post, is the top legal officer of the country. He advises the Union government on all legal matters and is also the primary lawyer representing the Union government in the Supreme Court of India. Article 76 under Part 5 of the Constitution of India deals with the Attorney General of India. According to the article, the President shall appoint a person who is qualified enough to appoint a judge of the Supreme Court to be the Attorney General of India. It shall be the duty of Attorney General to give advice to the Government of India upon such legal matters and to perform such other duties of a legal character, as may from time to time be referred or assigned to him by the President, or to discharge the functions conferred on him by or under this Constitution or any other law for the time being in force. In the performance of his duty, the Attorney General shall have the right of audience in all courts in the territory of India. The tenure of Attorney General is not fixed. Government unveils new COVID recovery aid and expands credit relief. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a relief package targeting healthcare, tourism, exports, and job creation to support the economy that is struggling to recover from the second wave of the pandemic. She announced a Rs 1.1 lakh crore loan guarantee scheme for sectors affected by the coronavirus pandemic. Out of this, 50,000 crore rupees have been allotted to the healthcare sector and the remaining to others. Announcements include expansion of existing steps such as increasing the size of Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme ECLGS from Rs 3 lakh crores to Rs 4.5 lakh crore as the limit was being reached, and fresh measures. The scheme was launched as part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan package announced in May 2020. The Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme ECLGS aims to provide 100% guarantee coverage to banks, non-banking financial institutions or NBFCs, and other lending institutions in order to enable them to extend emergency credit to business entities that have suffered due to the COVID-19 pandemic and are struggling to meet their working capital requirements. National Statistics Day. Every year, the Statistics Day is celebrated on the 29th of June, the birth anniversary of Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, to recognize his invaluable contribution in establishing the national statistical system. The aim is to popularize the use of statistics in everyday life and sensitize to the public as to how statistics help in shaping and framing policies. The theme for 2021 is Sustainable Development Goal 2, End Hunger, Achieve Food Security and Improve Nutrition and Promote Sustainable Agriculture. Related events in this day are the winners of the Professor P. C. Mahalanobis National Award in Official Statistics 2021 and Professor C. R. Rao National Awards for Young Statistician 2021 will be announced. In 2019, the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation instituted Professor P. C. Mahalanobis National Award in Official Statistics for recognizing outstanding achievements of official statisticians in central government, state governments, and institutions. Agni P Prime. Recently, a new generation nuclear-capable ballistic missile Agni P Prime was successfully test-fired by the Defence Research and Development Organization (DRDO) from the APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Balasore, Odisha. Key points. Agni P is a new generation advanced variant of the Agni class under the IGMDP Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. It is a canister missile with a range capability between 1,000 and 2,000 kilometers. Canisterization of missiles reduces the time required to launch the missile while improving its storage and mobility. Many advanced technologies include composites, propulsion systems, innovative guidance and control mechanisms with state-of-the-art navigation systems that have been introduced. The Agni P missile would further strengthen India's credible deterrence capabilities in comparison to other Agni class missiles. Agni P has improved parameters including maneuvering and accuracy. Agni class missiles. They are a mainstay of India's nuclear launch capability. Range of other Agni missiles. Agni 1, range of 700 to 800 kilometers. Agni 2 has a range of more than 2,000 kilometers. Agni 3 has a range of more than 2,500 kilometers. Agni 4 has a range of more than 3,500 kilometers and can fire from a road mobile launcher Agni 5, the longest of the Agni series, an intercontinental ballistic missile with a range of over 5,000 kilometers. Iran refuses to give images from inside nuclear sites to the IAEA. The Speaker of Iran has said that the country will not hand over images from inside of some of its nuclear sites in Iran to the International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA to the UN's nuclear watchdog agency. The reason that was given for the detention was that the monitoring agreement had expired with the agency. The announcement is set to further complicate negotiations between Iran and 6 other countries that were looking to review the 2015 Iran nuclear deal that had agreed upon lifting sanctions imposed upon the country in exchange for Iran dialing down its nuclear program. Iran has also signed a 3-month monitoring deal with the IAEA in February that allowed the IAEA to monitor some of the activity which would otherwise be denied in normal circumstances. International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA. It is a body of the UN that strives to promote peaceful use of nuclear energy and prevents its use for military purposes. It was established in 1957 to implement the then US President Dwight D. Eisenhower's Items for Peace proposal. IAEA teams regularly inspect nuclear sites all over the world to make sure that these facilities are not being used for military purposes.